During the 2013 flood, a 200-foot section of Flagstaff Road washed away due to a major slope failure. Because this section of the road is in an active landslide area, Boulder County Transportation engineers decided that installing a bridge would be the best repair strategy, as a bridge would allow for future landslides to take place without affecting the roadway above. The work in this video shows crews placing one of 12 30,000-pound concrete and steel girders that are the structural base of the bridge. After additional steel reinforcement was added to the girders, the bridge received 50 cubic yards of concrete to create one large slab. An asphalt driving surface will rest on top of this concrete slab. Work on the bridge began at the end of June 2014 and will be complete by the end of November 2014. More information is available about this flood recovery project and several others at www.bococonezones.com or bouldercountyflood.org.